you gotta make the hard churro. I was trying to think of a name, and I was like, you know how they have hard lemonade? Well, there's nothing good like a hard churro. Okay, let's start by rimming it. Some sugar, and then you're gonna want to add a little bit of cinnamon, obviously, because it is a churro, right? Shake it a little bit, yes. Use a fork, because that didn't work. Well, vanilla syrup, great. Let's just put a tiny bit. Make sure you use a nice wide cup, because we want this cup prepped and ready for when the hard churro decides to come inside it. Oh, baby. Coffee time. Yes, add that shit in there. Oh, and pound it hard, baby. Pound it. Now you're going to add a little bit of espresso in your fancy-ass machine. Look at it go. Oh, my gosh. Damn, that looks good. I could drink a whole thing of that. Caruva, the star of our show today. Well, second to the churro, obviously. This shit is basically like horchata churro in a can or in a bottle. Like, it's so good. You're going to want to use 3 ounces of this. Tequila, Identity Spirits. We know we love that brand. And just do about 1 ounce. You don't want it to overpower. And I promise the tequila wasn't milky. That was from Caruva. Mr. Black, because it's always better with black. But not too much, darling. Ooh, espresso time. Now, I did make extra intentionally because you only need about 1 ounce. So if you do have extra, drink it. And some homemade vanilla syrup I made. I can do a recipe on that, but add about half an ounce. And then some cinnamon, about 1/8 a teaspoon, well, maybe quarter, maybe more. And that works. Okay, some ice, and shake it off, baby. You just shake that thing. Shake, 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 shake it. Yeah, just like that. Just twirl a little too. Perfect. Oop. Little ice cube, and pour. Oh, don't let it splatter. Well, if it does, the only option is to lick it. There you go. And whip it up. Let's get nice and creamy, baby. Oh, yes. And then you're just going to put a little cinnamon, and perfect. Ooh, churro's too big. Just stick it on in. Yeah, just slide that shit on in, that creamy mess. Ooh, we love it when a churro gets nice and creamy. Come on. Okay, and then now you got to eat it and drink it. Next level, bitch. You got a fucking hard churro cocktail. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Cheers.